Hi, this is a short video just telling you that I have done another free watch face, this time a Rolex Submariner. So I have got some questions if I could do such a watch face, the Rolex Submariner. So I did this, and as you can see I did it in Watchmaker Premium. So you need that app to send it to your watch. And by clicking on that button you send it to your watch. So you can download it from my website swartling.net. You find links down below in the description text, and you also find links to how you can download and install these watch faces, all my free watch faces and so on. So if you don't know how, you can watch a video and read about how you should do this. All my watch faces are free to use and download, but as I said, you need the Watchmaker Premium app on your Android phone to use them. So I hope you like this watch face too. It has some of the features I always have on my watch faces and so on. You also find links to all my watch faces down below in the description text. So hope you like it. Bye.